Hey, do you own a home in the Jacksonville area that you're looking to sell quickly for any reason? Maybe you owe a lot on the house and it's not worth it. Maybe you split with your partner and now you have to sell the house, or maybe you just want to move away. Problem is, you're going to have to make some repairs, maybe not. You'll have to prep the house for sale, and you don't feel like going through that. That's where I come in.
Over the past 7 years, I've assisted hundreds of homeowners sell their house in Duval, St. Johns, and Clay counties. And I've noticed many of the sellers were all tired of dealing with the same traditional processes of selling their house. They were eager to sell their house, but at the same time, they weren't willing to handle the stress and trouble of making all major repairs. They didn't want to look for the trustworthy and hardworking real estate agent to list their house. They didn't want to have people walking around their house every few days and cleaning and getting ready for open houses and stuff like that. But when working with me, they managed to skip all those tedious and nagging traditional processes to get the house off their hands in as little as 7 days with cash. One piece of advice for me is don't choose a realtor if you want to sell your house quickly. Yes, they can get things done, and I work with great realtors, so I don't want to discount their value. But that route isn't for you. Instead of getting cash straight in your pocket, you have to fork out real estate agent fees, closing costs, title fees, major repair fees, hire a home inspector. The list goes on. And all those fees can be easily saved if you pick the smarter way to sell your house. You just need to simply click on the link below, fill out the survey. Once you get it filled out, I'll call you back immediately and get back with you. This is why so many of my clients choose me over a realtor. Because here at Synergy Home Buyers, I have many options to get what you need, which allows you to receive a fair offer in 24 hours or less. And if you're happy with the offer, you can skip the home staging, showings, and most likely the bulk of that inspection haggling. This is cut and dry. No hassle, no drama. Now, if you're a homeowner in Jacksonville and you want to get rid of your house fast, but don't want to deal with the traditional, tedious ways of selling your house, I need you to click the link below, and the online survey will take you less than 5 minutes to fill out. So once again, click on the link below and do it right away. And remember, you have every right to be in control of selling your house. Cheers.